So hello everyone. So there is a problem on your board which says that find the last three digits of 2005 raised to 11 plus 2005 raised to 12 plus 2005 raised to 2006. So it's all about finding last 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and so on. So there is a common concept. So the concept is whenever we want to find last n digits of a number, so remember, finding last n digits of a number is done by finding the remainder when the given number is divided by 10 raised to n. Now in this case, because we are looking for last 3 digits, so we will find out the remainder when this number is divided by 10 cube, that means 1000. So I am assuming this number as S. So your S is 2005 raised to 11 plus 2005 raised to 12 and so on, and the last term is 2005 raised to 2006. We know that 2005 is congruent to 5 modulo 1000, right? So modulo concept is clear. In this case, I am saying when 2005 minus 5, it gives you remainder 0 when divided by 1000. So that's why 2005 when divided by 1000, it leaves remainder 5. So can I say that my problem, my sum S is congruent to 5 raised to 11 plus 5 raised to 12 plus 5 raised to 2006 modulo 1000, right? We know that 5 raised to 4 is 625. Then 5 raised to 5, that means 5 into 625 is congruent to 125 modulo 1000. Similarly, 5 raised to 6 is congruent to 5 into 125 modulo 1000. That means this is congruent to 625 modulo 1000. So according to this, I can say that powers of 5 modulo 1000, okay, powers of 5 modulo 1000 repeat periodically, like 625, 125, 625, 125 and so on. That is why I can say that 5 raised to n is congruent to 625 modulo 1000 for all even values of n greater than equal to 4. And 5 raised to m is congruent to 125 modulo 1000 for all odd values of n greater than equal to 5. So your required sum S, which was congruent to 5 raised to 11 plus 5 raised to 12 plus 5 raised to 2006, I can say that this S, which is congruent to 5 raised to 11, 5 raised to 12 till 5 raised to 2006 modulo 1000, I can say that this is congruent to 125 plus 625 plus 125 and so on plus 625 modulo 1000. Okay, now the question is how many terms are there? So if you observe, we have total number of terms as 1996 because it starts with 2005 raised to 11 and it goes to 2005 raised to 2006. तो अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आपके पास आ रही हैं 1996. Now let's focus on this sum, which is 125 plus 625 and so on. So यहाँ पर जो हाफ टर्म्स है वो 125 है और हाफ टर्म 625 है. So I can say that this is equal to this 125 is how many times? 998 times plus 625 also 998 times. So this becomes, take 998 common, so it becomes 125 plus 625, which is 998 into 750, right? So your sum is congruent to which sum I am talking about? That 5 raised to 11, 5 raised to 12, 5 raised to 2006. Now this is congruent to 998 into 750 modulo 1000, or this is minus 2 modulo 1000. This is 750 is congruent to minus 250 modulo 1000 and it becomes 500 modulo 1000. So that's why in this case that sum S leaves remainder 500 when divided by 1000. That's why the last 3 digits of the given number S are 500. This is the answer.